It was a brilliant walking tour this morning. I really enjoyed it.
I absolutely loved the tour and hearing about all the fun facts.
The tour guide was fantastic. He was so knowledgeable.
My favourite part of the tour was hearing about the Duke of Edinburgh being quite reticent about moving to Buckingham Palace.
I really enjoyed the gravestone of Giro the dog from World War II. I've always wanted to see that.
It was really surprising to see all the horses and the guards actually come out onto the streets.
The tour was really great value for money and you packed so much in.
It's incredible to see so many famous places that I've heard about.
On the tour, I got a really good sense of the history of Britain.
I would definitely recommend the tour to all my friends and family. It's a really great day out.